Porsche co-designed Star Wars Starfighter, based on Taycan EV. 911 German carmaker Porsche, along with the Walt Disney Studios Lucasfilm, designed a Star Wars-themed fantasy spaceship based on its Taycan EV 911. While the tri-wing S-91x Pegasus Starfighter won't appear in Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, a 5-foot-long, highly detailed subscale model will be unveiled at the movie's premiere, Porsche said. The project took over 2 months to complete. The U.S. startup unveils tech to turn normal helicopters self-driving. U.S.-based autonomous helicopter startup Skyryse unveiled technology which could potentially turn normal helicopters into self-driving ones through a modified FAA-approved helicopter, Luna, called the Skyryse Flight Stack. The system could enable future fleets of air taxis to fly themselves over cities, the startup claimed. It also includes sensor pads on the ground, called smart helipads. Ferrari won't have a fully electric car ready until after 2025. CEO Ferrari won't have its first fully electric model ready until after 2025 as the battery technology requires more development. The Italian luxury sports car maker's chief executive officer Louis Camilleri said, "There are still significant issues in terms of autonomy. In terms of speed of recharging," he said. Ferrari unveiled its first production plug-in hybrid supercar SF90 Stradale in May. Bloodhound LSR hits 1010 km/h in 50 seconds. World's 6th fastest UK-based project, Bloodhound LSR's supersonic car reached 1010 km/h speed in 50 seconds, making it the 6th fastest car ever, using only a CJ200 jet engine. The team will now attach a rocket to the tunnel beneath the jet engine in an attempt to break the world land speed record. Bloodhound hopes the car will reach around 1288 km/h.